If your itch.io library is getting cluttered and you want to remove games you no longer need, this video will walk you through the process in a quick and simple way. Whether you're cleaning up old downloads, freeing up space on your device, or just organizing your library, this guide will help you get it done fast. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides. All right, let's get started. First, open the itch.io app on your computer. Once the app is open, head over to your library section. This is where all of your installed and downloaded games are listed, so it's the right place to start when you want to remove something. Now, find the game you want to remove from your library. When you see it, right-click on the game. A menu will appear with a few options, and from that menu, click Uninstall. This will begin removing the game from your device. If you're doing this to clear space, this is the fastest method because it takes just a couple of clicks. It's also a great way to keep your itch.io library organized, especially if you've downloaded a lot of free indie games and want to trim things down. After you click Uninstall, wait for the process to finish. Depending on the size of the game, it may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once it's removed, the game will no longer be installed on your system, and your library will be cleaner and easier to manage. Just keep in mind that uninstalling removes the local game files from your device, but it doesn't necessarily delete the game from your account library on itch.io itself. So if you ever want to play it again later, you can usually reinstall it from your account. That's all there is to it. You now know how to remove games from your itch.io library by opening the app, going to Library, right-clicking the game, and selecting Uninstall. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.